Hi everyone, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I'm going to show a foiling project. I'm using a negative of a previously foiled sheet. And the negative is just an extra piece of paper or a piece of foil that would, be thrown away, and I wanted to use that on a pretty card project. I'm using the stamp kit by Unity called As We Go Along, and it's pretty. It's got this wonderful potted flower arrangement and a sentiment. So I pre-colored that with Copic markers, and I fussy cut that out and trimmed the sentiment. I'm using Deco Foil in the color of pink melon. And the card on the left there is the original design that was foiled using a designer toner card front by Unity. And so the leftover piece is that pink piece that you see in the upper left. And if you add a white background to that, those flowers really pop out off the page. So that's what I'm going to do. I use my Creative Time scalloped oval dies. Now onto a pre-cut panel, I'm going to add clear double-sided tape, lots of it. And I'm going to, on top of that, I'm going to add that negative foil sheet that was left over. And you want to try to get as many creases out as you can on that, and just rub it right on there, and you're going to keep that foil right onto that background panel. Now I decided to go ahead and make it an oval, so I used some dies. I used a die cut right over that foil cardstock piece. I'm going to use that inside layer there, and I also die cut a scallop background. That's actually left over from Halloween paper, but the front of it is a real pretty elegant looking glitter foil, a glitter design anyway on the cardstock. So I used that for the background oval. And then I added clear double-sided tape for each of those layers. And just fasten that right on. And then on top of that, I am going to adhere this pre-stamped and pre-trimmed sentiment panel. And I'm going to use this pre-colored fussy cut for floral vase right on top of there, using a little bit of foam tape just as a card accent. And also I added some twine and I tied that to the top, and I'm adding a couple of adhesive gems, and one of those is a heart right on the vase. So I hope you like this, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to follow me on Facebook and also on my YouTube channel. If you could like and subscribe to my YouTube, that would be wonderful. Thanks so much, and have a great day.